Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone overheating issue in iOS 16. An iPhone might overheat due to hardware errors of the device or software bugs in the phone and installed apps. The issue occurs when an iPhone becomes too hot and is difficult to hold even in normal or cold temperatures. Upon heating, the iPhone's battery drains in minutes. In some cases, the phone starts to heat up after an iOS 16 update, whereas in some cases the problem occurred when the iPhone was put to charging. This also happens when playing a game like PUBG or using an app like YouTube. So I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. So let's start the video without wasting any time, but first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So the first thing you should go for is update the iPhone's iOS to the latest build. Open the settings of your phone. Scroll down, click on General and click on Software Update and install an iOS update if an update is available. Once the iPhone's iOS update is installed, restart your iPhone and upon restart check if the iPhone is heating problem is solved. And the second step you should go for is update the iPhone's app to the latest build. Launch the iPhone's App Store, click on it and then tap on the profile icon. Now tap on update all. It will show here if there is any need of update, or if you know the problematic app and only want to update it, tap on update for that app. Once the iPhone apps are updated, restart the iPhone and upon restart check if it is operating fine without heating up. And the next step you should go for is disable background app refresh of the iPhone. Launch the iPhone settings and then select on General and then tap on background app refresh and disable it by toggling its switch to the off position, and you are done. And the next step is remove and forget all Bluetooth devices of the iPhone. Launch the settings of your iPhone, click on it and then select Bluetooth. Now select a Bluetooth device and tap on the info icon. Then press on forget this device and afterward confirm to forget the Bluetooth device. And you are done. And the next step is disable emergency calls and SOS system service and tile location service of the iPhone. So launch the iPhone settings, click on it, scroll down and here you have the option of privacy and security. Click on it, tap on location services, scroll down, here select system services and turn off emergency calls and SOS. Go back and also turn off location services. Turn it off and you are done. And the next step is uninstall the problematic app. If an application conflicts with the phone's iOS, then that conflict may overheat the iPhone as the conflicting app fails to properly release the system resource and uses it continuously. On your iPhone's home screen, tap and hold the YouTube app icon and then remove app. And then tap on delete app to uninstall YouTube from the iPhone and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings of the iPhone to the defaults. Open the settings of your iPhone, click on it and then click on General, scroll down. Here you have an option of transfer or reset iPhone, click on it and then click on reset and then tap on reset network settings and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings of the iPhone to their defaults. Open settings of your iPhone, scroll down and then select General, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, click on it and then tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.